welcome back to my channel. As usual, thanks for clicking on that video. If it's your first time joining me, I'm Tamara Canham. So today we have a very interesting video for you. I am doing a collab, kind of a collab with my girl Owamie Hlongwane, and we have decided to do a makeup tutorial in our language. Now her language is going to be Venda. And if you want to watch her full video, I'm sure you've seen it in the intro. If you want to watch her full video, please make sure you click the link somewhere up here. I'm going to leave it in the cards, and as well I'm going to leave it in the description box below. So make sure you click on that video if you want to see the rest of Owamie's video doing her makeup in Venda. That is so awesome. Now because like English is like my first language, I can't speak Afrikaans. I can speak Praat, but it's very bad, and Zulu well. My Zulu is not very well, and it's not on point. I can understand a lot, but I can't really speak that much. These children are distracting me. But anyway, so I decided that let's do something different. So I am going to shoot this video with a chameleon on my brush. Like, I'm going to try and put it on my finger, but I don't know. Most of my makeup is already done. But because we're going to focus a lot on the lips today for this tutorial, so let's hope everything works out. Oh my god. It's on my brush. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, it's on my brush. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. It's moving, Josh. Okay, you're gonna come to me. Come to the bed. It's sleeping. No, come to the bed. Oh my god. Okay, let's just get this bronzing over with. Okay. I'm just putting some more powder. No! Oh my god. Okay, chameleon. Just work with me here, okay? Work with me. Guys, I don't like insects, like seriously. No.
Don't you see this black one is nice?
We need a contouring section. Nice chameleon. Don't move, I need to finish powdering my face. Don't touch the table. I need to finish powdering my face, chameleon. I think it's asleep.
Great, Mom.
It's asleep, I can see that.
Go. Let's just go.
I just want to blend this in a little bit. Okay, so now I am going into my Beauty Treats palette, and I want to try using this bronzer here. It's a very glittery bronzer. The kids are all excited for this, so there's a lot of noise. So I'm going to dip into this very glittery bronzer. It's going on my brush. Okay, chameleon, be very good for me. Oh. Okay.
No magic.
No, I can't deal. Okay, chameleon. I can't, chameleon.
Hey, you know it'd be really funny if you do makeup for a chameleon.
I wanted to do it for the rest of my video, but I can see it's not gonna work because it's just like too much. No. No, I think I did this for a few minutes. No. Okay, chameleon, it's time for you to go. Move your chameleon away from me. There's another one in the building. Don't push the table, please, Ezekiel. Okay, Cal, you take that chameleon. Okay, guys, y'all can come and remove this chameleon. Joshua, in the last shot for the photo. Okay. Okay, so that is my nose contouring done. I'm sorry, I'm forgetting that I'm shooting this video for my people. Woo! Guys, like, no, I would have not been able to do that entire tutorial with that chameleon. Like, it just was not going to happen.
No, I was doing.
We're going to add a bit of highlighter, and this is the one from Huda Beauty. It looks ratchet, so I'm not going to show it. So Madison, please don't walk there. So I'm not going to show you guys. I'm going to start off on this part, and I'm just going to blend it in. Oh, okay. Yes. Let's just add a little bit right over there. Top of brow. A little bit over there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray a little bit of fixing spray on my brush, just a little bit. And we are going to add a little bit more, just to like amplify it a bit in this section. Ooh, speak to me, mommy. Speak to me. Just on the highest point of our cheeks, just so that, you know, we get a nice glow right over there, and as well as just under. So as I was saying, yeah guys, I cannot speak any other language, and it's just quite sad. Oh, my eyebrow, what happened to my eyebrow there? It's quite sad because I really cannot speak any other language. Afrikaans, I can barely speak Afrikaans, it's just a little bit. And then Zulu, I can understand a lot of Zulu, but when it's time to speak it, I can speak 30, maybe 40%. But again, it's not very good. So my girl was shocked when I told her that I can't speak any other language. And it's actually quite sad. It's actually quite sad. But anyway, yeah. I'm all over the show today because it's actually been a while. It's been a while since I've recorded, actually, you guys. And just kind of on the bridge of your nose, kind of like an exclamation mark. Exactly like that. And I'm just gonna try and blend it out a little bit, because we don't want to look crazy. Guys, it has been such a while since I've recorded, because the last 3 or 4 videos was actually recorded on the same day. I don't know if you guys remember that video. And so I just uploaded those, and I know I was reading the same stuff again, but that was just the video. So I actually haven't recorded in quite some time, because a lot of my videos I just pre-record them. But this one, okay. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to add some highlighter. Again, this is from the NYX Turn Your Butt Cheek. It's very, I'm going to use the blush from there, because I don't really like blush, and this blush is extremely subtle. My sister says that I twang when I do my videos. I can't help it. It just comes, you know, when you answer the phone or when you're doing something and then the twang comes. But it just happens naturally. So I'm going to add a little bit of blush as well from the NYX palette. This is also a very shimmery brush, but just to kind of help blend that together again. And I'm doing this very gentle, you guys. Don't be rough with your brush. I'm being very, very gentle, just to kind of blend everything together nicely and make it look all nice and even. Yeah, that is what we're gonna do. Oh, are you guys seeing this glow, honey? I wish it was not as gold as it is right now, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Just blend everything together really nicely.
Where's my box?
It's very subtle, and I'm kind of want that extra glow today, so yeah. Okay, honey.
I want to put some wing. I
Let's
want to
just
put some wing.
blend that in again, so everything is blended in quite nicely. Let me just take this just to make sure. I kind of feel this, it's losing its pop a little bit this side because of all the blending. Okay.
I want to.
Yes, honey, yes. Let's just do a little bit on our lips. Just a little bit, not much. Like, I'm really over the lip highlight, but because of the video today, I want to add just a little bit extra. And now for the fun part. Now that all of that is done, let's get straight into the fun part. So I'm going to go in with Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Famous. And we're going to put that all over our lips. Make sure your lips are really nice and moisturized when doing this. I'm sorry guys, I just have to look in the mirror. Okay. Oh, no. Hello, pigment.